Hello all, Wave Rider here. We're almost halfway through mini firework month, and we have another mini artillery shell here, or mini motor, whatever you want to call it. It is by Dynomite Fireworks, and it says Mini Pro. It says Pyromite. 6 assorted shells. Shoots flaming balls with report. Same thing here. Not much, but anyway, here's the item here. It has some mini shells. Oh yeah, look at this. Wow, this thing is taped here. Let me go take this out real quick. Let's go look at the shells after I remove this tape here. I apologize, I didn't do this in advance. Oh wow, look at that. Anyway, yeah, let me put this down real quick while I take this out. Actually, you know what? Here it is. Look like 1-inch shell, cardboard. Doesn't have really weight, so it look like I have to use something to secure this. Let's go look at these real quick here. Let me put this down. Hold on. Oh, sorry. All right. Here's the shells here. Nothing much. It says must be used in launch tube inside. Doesn't show anything about or say anything about the effect. I couldn't find anything about this online other than one store that sells this. No videos or anything. I mean, my guess is probably a mini salute or something. But anyway, let's go give this a try. All right. Anyway, see you guys outside. We're gonna try 2 shells of the Pyromite. So let's go give this a try. Let's go see if this is actually what I think it is. Oh wow. Okay. That was nice. Try number 2. I thought it would be more of a salute, but okay, that was kind of low, but that wasn't that bad. Yeah, paid $6 for it. It was pretty. I think it's worth it, even though probably I'd rather pay double the price and get the Super Magnums from World Class, $15 for 12 rounds. Anyways, you guys have a great evening. Bye.